hey there guys, thanks so much for stopping by Jami Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. Jami Jo Sells Wax. So that's a channel all about Scentsy, and our main product line is warmers and wax, hence the name. But today we are not talking about wax. We are talking about our essential oil diffusers, and more specifically, our amazing and gorgeous new Christmas diffuser, not this one, Christmas diffuser and Christmas oils. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a video for you guys with this warmer right here. We went through the basics of the diffuser. I said warmer, diffuser. We went through the basics of the diffuser, and we were talking about the harvest oils. Today, I want to show you one of the really cool things about our diffusers, and then we're going to talk about the Christmas oils. So, really cool thing about our diffusers, once you make the investment in the diffuser, and I would recommend, well, really, it doesn't matter which shade you get first. Most people get just one of the standard diffuser shades. This is one of them. And then with some of our different product lines, our different limited time offer releases, we offer new shades. So I am going to, first of all, turn this one off and set it down to the side because we have an unboxing to do of the gorgeous, and I'm telling you, gorgeous new Christmas tree shade for the diffuser. It's called Noble and Bright. Wait until you guys see this. Oh, gorgeous, stunning, like all the beautiful words. Oh, you can already see it even in the plastic. Love it. All right, let's get this box out of the way. Da, da, da. Okay, this is what it looks like unlit. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, there are little tiny holes. This is almost like a green mercury glass type look, but there are little teeny tiny holes in the color of the glass. So let's grab this diffuser again and pop it on and see what it looks like. So diffuser, let's start it out just on like a plain light. It's so weird how it does this flicker effect on the camera. I don't know why that is, because it's not actually flickering here for me, but it does on the camera. So all you have to do is take this shade off. Let's go ahead and get some water in it so you guys can see exactly how it looks. I use bottled water. You don't have to. You can just use tap water. On the inside of the diffuser, there's a little fill line. You guys can't see it on there, but that's okay. Just know that it's there. There is a fill line. I think it even says max. Yep, it does. So you put your water in. Then you would put your oils in, but we haven't talked about oils yet. So for now, I'm just going to keep the water in there. Then I'm going to put this back on, and then I'm going to put my shade on. So I'm going to use this new Noble, what's it called? Noble and Bright. So that is with the regular light, guys. It doesn't even do it justice with my camera light on here. What's really cool is, just like with the other ones, you can change the color. So that makes it a dimmer light. There is a candlelight flicker, although on the camera, it always looks like a candlelight flicker. Again, it's off. So high, low, candlelight flicker, then off. If you push the light button and hold it in, it's going to rotate through colors. So it starts out with this gorgeous aqua, then it goes into like a deep blue. Trust me, the camera's not doing it justice. Here's what's cool though. You can stop it and lock it in on any color. So I wanted to wait till it got to red. I was going to lock it in on that because it's like the perfect Christmassy look. It looks like there's little red ornaments on the Christmas tree. Oh, I missed it. It's okay. We're just going to stop it on pink. My light totally messes it up, but you guys are getting the idea. Now, as far as diffusing goes, you have a couple options there. Two, you have high, you have low, and you have intermittent. You can see here on the bottom, there's two buttons. One's the light, one is the diffuser. So I'm going to go ahead and push that. Let's see if the camera's going to show it. Yeah, you can see a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to let that diffuse while we talk about oils. Now, first of all, before we talk about oils, I don't know what I want to talk about first. Diffusers. This is cool mist. This is not steam. It is not hot. It is a cool mist. Just so you know that. When you're diffusing oils, they should not be hot. Essential and natural oils are best when kept cool. So you do not want them hot. This is our Holiday Oil 3-pack. It comes in this cute little tin. You have your information inside, but then you have your 3 oils down in there. Now, when we talked about the harvest oils, this is like right in my face. We're going to turn that. I think it's on intermittent, so it's going to start again in a second. We have 3 different oils. When I talked about the harvest oils, I could not really smell them. So I came prepared with little cotton balls so I can put a little bit of the oil on the cotton ball to get a better scent of it. This is called Holly Jolly Jingle. Should I smell them first or read the descriptions first? I think it's more fun when we smell them first. Oh, I can smell some of this right out the top of the bottle, but I can't peg that. I think there's some mint in it. I can't peg it. I'm gonna have to read it. How did I get mint? It's bergamot, cardamom, and vanilla. Maybe it's that cardamom and the vanilla, because some foods have cardamom in it. Cardamom and vanilla, yum. It's good, it's yummy. Okay, we're gonna move on to soft and subtle cuddles. I'm gonna read the description first because I don't like not knowing. Soft and subtle cuddles. Iris, golden amber, and sandalwood. This, fresh cotton, this sounds like something I will definitely like. It's interesting to me that they're putting iris in a Christmas scent. Oh, yes. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I love woodsy scents. Yeah. That is, oh, that's so good. Sandalwood, though. Anytime there's sandalwood, I'm here for it. Iris, golden amber, and sandalwood. That's warm. Ooh, that's good. That makes me want to cuddle up on the couch with a fuzzy blanket. Maybe that's why it's called soft and subtle cuddles. Yeah, that feels like a cozy blanket. If you have ever smelled cozy cardigan, it doesn't smell like cozy cardigan, but it gives me the same feels. So this last one is called For Goodness Sake. For goodness sake. Coconut milk, white peach nectar, and buttered caramel. That smells delicious, but it's not my normal scent jam. So we're going to see. I'm not normally a foodie as far as scents go. Now legit foodie? Yeah, I'm there. Oh yeah, this one's sweet. That peach really comes through. I feel like my husband would like this. It's not wanting to come out. There we go. That is like, that's interesting that they put that in the Christmas line, because that smells like a cocktail to me. That smells like it needs an umbrella and a straw. What was it again? Coconut milk, peach nectar, and buttered caramel. Yeah, give me an umbrella and a straw on a beach. That's what that smells like to me. Maybe it's different when it's being diffused. I don't know. But I am going to take my diffuser back apart because I want to put some of that soft and subtle cuddles in. I liked that. You guys can use as little or as much as you want. Come on. I like a lot. I like really strong fragrances. I like a lot. So I'm going to put that in there, put my lid back on. Put my gorgeous Christmas tree on. And we're going to get it going again. Here's what I love about a diffuser. You can instantly smell it. I mean, you can with warmers somewhat, but it takes a little bit for that wax to start warming. With the diffuser, it's instant. Oh, that is so good. That smells like, I can't decide if it's like a cuddly blanket on a couch or like a yummy dude. Either way, I like it. All right, guys, let's talk pricing. If you get this as your first diffuser, so you need the base, the shade, and everything, it's $140. Now this is US pricing. If you already have your diffuser base and you just need the shade for the Christmas time, that's only $60. So huge savings. Once you already get your base, you can get different shades for a much more affordable, cheaper, thrifty, whatever word you want to use, a lower price. The holiday oils, they come in the 3-pack in the cute little tin that is $18. Each of these bottles are, I was going to tell you how big, 5 milliliters. 5 milliliters, that's going to get you a lot of diffusing. 3 of them at that size. So if you guys are ready to grab your Noble and Bright diffuser or your holiday oil 3-pack, just go over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. You can find those there. If you have any questions about the diffusers or really any questions about Scentsy, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach me at 918-888-9690 or comment right here on YouTube. And I'm happy to answer any questions there as well. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I'm so glad you stopped by. And I hope that you have a sensational day.